And in other exciting news in Gotham City, Harley Quinn and Poison Ivy are at it again. They are stirring up trouble in Gotham City with their exciting giveaways. People are rushing madly to figure out what it is that they are going to be handing out today. Well, can you tell us what it is? Yes, I can. I can tell you what it is. It's the Pretty Rich palette. It's the Pretty Rich palette Poison Ivy that we're giving away today. So let's get into it. If you want to hear more about the Pretty Rich palette giveaway, and not only that, the Jeffree Star palette. This is the Bloodlust palette, along with the Star Mirror and the Lippy in Sagittarius. I've already got it all packed up and ready to be given away to my lucky winner. We're going to be getting into it right now. Just stay tuned. We're getting into the giveaway winners right now. Okay, so I was looking to see if I already had the Pretty Rich palette boxed up, and yes, I do. I have everything boxed up and ready and taped up, and all of my winners, including the Hit the Lights palette, which the beautiful Miss Debbie Noblock won, and I have several boxes going out to people. Miss Jessica Vargas, I have a box for her going out, just several different people, and I'm going to take all of this. Once I announce the winners, I will be taking all of this to the post office and making one fell swoop right on over to the post office. So everybody who's expecting boxes from me, you will be getting your boxes from me. And thank you for being so kind and so patient, especially Miss Debbie Noblock, who has won on my channel about maybe a month ago now. But thank you so much for not forcing me to go out of my home during this pandemic and unnecessarily to ship your package. I have been trying to be under lock and key at my house since my job was so gracious to let me go home and work from there. So I have put the names into the random comment picker, and the first winner that I chose, and I will roll the footage, was for the Pretty Rich palette. Guys, this palette, much to my surprise, I love Too Faced, but I did put this off because so many people gave this palette negative reviews, and I feel like they're quite unfair. You do have 4 very glittery shades that if you're going to use this, you will need a glitter glue, like the ABH glitter glue is very nice, but NYX makes a good one. There's a lot of different glitter glues that you can get. But outside of that, all of the shades that I've used so far has performed very nicely, and I really like this palette. So I'm going to roll the footage right now. Okay guys, I am getting ready to select the winner for the Pretty Rich palette that I did with my dynamic partner, Jess Gus. And so I've got, let's see, 106 unique comments for this. So we are going to just start right here. And let's see who the random comment picker picks. Jody Chison. I hope I'm saying that right, Jody. I hope I am not butchering your last name. But it says, that Pretty Rich palette is gorgeous. I would love to try it. So let's go over and check out Jody's comment so I can pin it. Okay, and so there I am on her sub list, and I've already, there's Jess, okie dokie. thank you so much for being subscribed to both of us. And congratulations to Jody Chison. I'm not exactly sure how you say your last name. I hope I'm not butchering it, but I did see you pop in to Jess's video, live stream video premiere, and I have tagged you to let you know that you are my winner. I am so happy to say that you have won that palette, and all you need to do is just hit me up at getthisglowing@gmail.com and let me know where to ship that palette out to you, and that will be on its way to you. So congratulations everybody, congratulate Jody. I'm so happy for her that she has won this palette. And thank you so much for supporting my channel and for supporting Jess's channel. We both appreciate you so much, and just want to say a big thank you, and I know that comes from Jess too. So yes, we both appreciate you so much. So let's move on in, and we will get into the, oh, I have to have this. Oh, you guys know I'm addicted to that tea. But moving on into the Jeffree Star palette, and this is for the palette Mirror and Lippy. That is a pretty big giveaway, and so I have got on today. I used my palette. Actually, this is for the first time, and my first impressions are, they're a little bit mixed, I have to be honest. I like the palette. I'm not in love with the palette. This is coming off of using my Blue Blood palette. I love the Blue Blood palette. Oh, it's so good. So I expected a little bit more from this palette. I don't think this palette, comparatively to, it's a good palette, it is, but compared to the Blue Blood palette, I don't think it is as good as the Blue Blood palette. That's just my first impression. Maybe it's the colors in the palette. Maybe it was me. Maybe I should have went into this Monarchy shade first, and I should have started there. But I went into Deviant right here, and I started with this one, and maybe that's where my look just didn't go exactly the way that I wanted it to. But I guess I'm wishing that it had more of a peach tone to it. I guess I wish maybe this one was a little bit lighter. And this to me is almost a wasted color. These are already, I really don't need this to build up any depth. This is not my favorite palette. It just isn't. It's not the Blue Blood palette. The Blue Blood is so amazing to me, and coming off of the Blue Blood palette, I really have very high expectations for a Jeffree Star palette, and this wasn't what that was. So yeah, I was a little disappointed with this one, I'll have to be honest. That is what my giveaway is. The things that I do absolutely love is I am wearing the purple highlighter, which is called, it's this one, it came in this packaging, and you know, I'm a highlighter nut, and this one is called Choking on Ice. It's the Extreme Frost highlighter, and it is so beautiful. I love this highlighter, and it's what I'm wearing today, and it's just so pretty. I really like this. So I couldn't be happier with a highlighter than I am with this one. So it gets an A+ from me on that. So I have that on, and then the other thing that I'm wearing that is Jeffree Star, I am wearing a lippy from the Open Here for Nudes, and it's called Doll Parts. And I'm rather liking his lippy collections, and these are in the minis that are in the box. And if you want a video doing swatches on the Love Me Not and the Open Here for Nudes, I believe it's the volume 1 that I have, I'd be happy to do that for you. So who won the Jeffree Star palette, Sagittarius Lippy, and the mirror? Well, that would be, let's roll the footage. Okay, so we are going to be getting started with picking the winner for the Jeffree Star palette, lippy, and the mirror. And so here we go. We are going to hit the start button. Oh my God, my allergies are so bad. Amanda Gould. You are the winner of the Jeffree Star palette, lippy, and the mirror. So let's go check it out. And then here's Amanda's page of who she's subscribed to. And there I am right next to Ella Amp. So there you go. That's right. That would be Miss Amanda Gould. And so I am so happy for you, Amanda. You have 48 hours to get back in touch with me and let me know where you would like this to be sent to you, and I will send that on to you in the mail. So yeah, I am so excited for you and so happy that you have won on my channel. So yeah, I'm so happy for you. And so yes, thank you so much for supporting my channel. I really appreciate you, and I am so happy that you won. So yeah, let me know, for those of you who have this palette, how are you liking it? How is it working out for you? For my winners, just get in touch with me within 48 hours at getthisglowing@gmail.com and let me know where you would like your winnings to be sent. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.